In this video, we are going to see one of the most colorful Indian art. It is Madhubani, also called as Mithila painting. You can find the materials here and I have given them in the description box below. Let's get started. Keep your canvas sheet first, followed with yellow carbon and then the design sheet on top of it. Using your normal pencil, now start tracing the design fully. Make sure you are completely tracing the design at one go. Start coloring on the bigger areas of your design. You can use all the bright colors and there is no any color restriction for this Indian art. You can repeat the colors in different portions or you can use a new one as well. This Madhubani art painting is more famed for its bright colors and double borders. It is carried over by the women in Bihar. Traditionally, they will be using the natural dyes, whereas we have a substitute with acrylic paints that is readily available in the market. Leaving the double borders, you have to color all the areas. Leaf parts you can color either fully or the half parts. When you make Madhubani painting with the borders, make sure no spaces are left blank. You have to either color and give the detailing or simply coloring the spaces. In this traditional art, we can see more of fish, peacock, god, sun, moon and other kind of natural scenes. You can completely give the base coat including the border or you can start with the center portion first. So for this figure, I have done the center portion and I have started doing my outline using a thin round brush and the black color. The black outline should be given on each and every part of the design. Once you are completely done with the outline, here comes the main part of this traditional art. You have to do the small black lines in between all these double borders. White should be always the base coat in between these double line borders. Here comes the next interesting part of this traditional art. Yes, we are going to do any kind of detailing inside these big motifs. For this detailing, use the thin brush and we can do dots, lines, checks, scallops and any shapes and even geometrical patterns and many more. If you use the contrast colors, the design will be more prominent. Borders are mostly used in all the Madhubani paintings in the traditional form. They use geometrical patterns or the natural patterns for their borders. For this also there is no any color restrictions and you can use either the single color or double colors. Here I have used the natural pattern like a leaf and I have done with the two colors. How much the contrast colors you use, the painting will be that colorful. For the borders also, fill with the black outline. You can fill detailing either in the black or again the colors of your choice. And you can use any patterns for the borders as well. If you like this making, like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.